everyone, it is Epic Gallagher here and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be testing out some snacks and hacks for this summer, and some of them worked out really well and I think you guys should try them, or else other ones did not work at all. So before we get started, make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys are enjoying these summer videos, and also I want you guys to go and check out all of my other summer videos if you haven't already, and if you have, then leave in the comments down below what your favorite one was. And also I have a subscribe away going on for this summer, so if you guys want to join, all you guys have to do is just subscribe down below before July 18th, and if we get this channel to 35 subscribers by then I will be subscribing back to you guys, giving you guys a bonus subscriber and also shouting you guys out in a video. So you guys get all three of those things if we reach 35 subscribers by July 18th. So we have about a month left of this subscriber away and we're already at like 28 subscribers. So I think that you guys can do it, and without further ado, let's get on into the snacks and the hacks. Let's go! The first snack that I tested out was making a snow cone out of a smoothie. So what I did, I actually went to the store and I got a smoothie from a smoothie shop. And then what I did is I just stuck it in the freezer for a few days. And then because it was blended, it just turned into the most delicious snow cone you could ever have. And this one, definitely a 10 out of 10. You guys should try this over the summer. For the second snack that I tested out, I actually had super high hopes for it because I did this before with normal ice cream and I thought that this was definitely going to work. So what you're going to need to do is just grab 2 snack bags, and in one of the snack bags I just poured in cranberry juice so that I could make a cool cranberry juice kind of slushy, and then I double bagged the smaller bag so that it would not leak. Then in the bigger bag, I'm just going to fill it up with ice and also add some normal salt and make sure that the bag is completely surrounded. Then you're just going to shake it up for about 20 minutes. And this did not work at all. It spilled everywhere. I'm just going to give it a 1 out of 10 because it did make it colder.
Ooh, they think I've got no reason to give myself a right to share what I believe.
These Fruity Rainbow Popsicles I definitely wanted to try out for this video, and I think it actually turned out pretty good. So all you're going to need is just a plastic popsicle mold and also some sticks with the mold, or else it probably won't work. But what you're going to start off by doing is just pouring some cranberry juice or any sort of juice into it, because we are going to just make the first 3 colors of the rainbow in layers of the popsicle. So I poured my cranberry juice into the bottom for about 1/3 of it, and then I stuck in my popsicle sticks and I left it in the freezer for an hour, and then when I took those out, I added a layer of orange juice, froze it, and then I added a layer of lemonade. These turned out so delicious, I'm definitely going to give them a 9 out of 10. The fourth snack hack that I decided to show you guys was making this super yummy fizzy ice water with strawberries in the ice cubes, and I decided to try this out because it looked too good to be true. And so what I just did was took an empty ice cube tray and filled it up with some water, and only 4 of them because I didn't want to waste a whole ice cube tray or more than 1 strawberry. So I first cut up all the strawberries and just put them all and stuffed them into the ice cubes. And then I put some water on top, making sure that all the strawberries were submerged, and I let that freeze. And now it is time to assemble the most awesome drink that you will literally ever have this summer. All I did was just pour some sparkling water into a mason jar, and then I just added my ice cubes. Literally the most satisfying thing, and also the strawberries taste really good because we added the lemon, and also it just tastes really good together. I'll give this a 9 out of 10.
Won't you stay At least until the sun goes down. When you're gone, all the strings.
And the last hack that I wanted to try out was making these super cute strawberry roses. I have seen these all over the internet and Pinterest and Tumblr right now. So I really want to try these out. So all I did was just took some strawberries and created some petals around the outer edge and then on the inner edge as well. And then I tried to make them pop out as much as possible. You guys probably saw the picture right now of how they turned out. I think that they turned out really cute, except that the picture was a tiny bit misleading, so that's why I would have to give this a 7 out of 10. It definitely worked and it tastes really good, and you could also impress your friends by doing this, but it wasn't as great as the picture. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe down below to join the subscribe away by July 18th to get all of the benefits. And also, I will be uploading this Sunday instead of next Wednesday because I will be out of town, so you guys can look forward to that. And if you guys want to see more of these Channel 3 videos, which is my cooking part of this channel, then make sure to click the link in the description, and I'll see you guys on Sunday. Bye!